Hey friends, welcome back. We're going to do some spring cleaning. It's my kind of spring cleaning, where I plan to get a bunch of stuff done, and if I get something done, it's better than nothing. And today, that something is the dreaded art cupboard. It was tidy, and then kids happened. So this is what we're working with. It's a mess. And so first things first, I am going to empty everything out of it onto the kitchen table and vacuum it out and kind of see what we're working with. And we'll make it work. Hopefully by the end, everything that Kasper needs is still accessible without too much help, but it also looks tidy. Here we go. As I empty everything out of the art cupboard, I am trying to organize it into piles on the kitchen table so that once I have everything out, it's a little bit less overwhelming, but let's be realistic here. This is insanely overwhelming. There was way too much stuff shoved in this art cupboard. It's already looking better, and Peter ended up cutting one last piece of the edging and putting it on to that last shelf.
Where's your friend? Hey. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Where's your butterfly? Who do you see? Do you see the raccoon? Hi, raccoon. That's your bin. That's Augie's bin. That's Augie Buggie's bin. Oh, just fits. It just fits. What? It's okay. Oh, it totally just fit a second ago. Come on. What the hell? Just a second. And if I do it like that. Yeah. I'm almost stuck on. Oh, hold on. I gotta get this other thing in. Now the zipper's stuck. What's happening? We got it! It fit! Yay! Yay! It fit! Mwah! It fit. Oh, mwah. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, cheese curds. Oh, honey. Are you making a big mess? Am I gonna have to wash this tomorrow or today? Yeah, probably. Probably. That's okay. That's okay. All right, now, do we think this one's gonna fit? Is the board the same size? I don't know. Oh, this one's too big. No, come on. Oh, that's so not cool. That's so sad. Oh. I don't think there's any way. Have to force it. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Yeah. We might be in luck, buddy. We might be in luck. Okay, we're gonna see what we can do. I know.
And Papa Pete has taken over baby duty, so I can continue with this art cupboard overhaul. I picked up or ordered a bunch of these zipper bags that I've seen on other organizing channels, and they actually came in super handy. So one set I used for a whole bunch of puzzles, and a couple I used for, as you could see earlier, the board games. And it allowed me to get rid of a ton of boxes, which were taking up so much space on the shelves. And I managed to get the games and the puzzles onto the little trolley that hangs out in the bottom of the art cupboard. And that saved quite a bit of space on the shelves, so I was pretty happy with that. Peter had given Augie a bubble bath during this adventure in art cupboard overhaul, and I was chopping up the boxes from the puzzles so that we would have at least some sort of idea of what each puzzle was and how to complete it. So a little bit of elbow grease, chopping up some thick cardboard and shoving them in the bags. Perfect. Don't stop. I'm sure based on what you're seeing here with me organizing the different kinds of pencil crayons, you know what's coming. I'm going to go through all of those markers in that white container, and I don't know why, because I know it's not going to last, but I'm organizing them all by type and size of marker and making sure they're all pointing the same way. I can't help it. It had to be done. Does it look like that now? No. Am I upset about it? Probably a little bit, if I'm being honest, but whatever. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything's fine. I've since ordered a few more of those zipper bags for a couple of these other boxed items, just so they take up less space and I'd have more opportunities for organizing different art supplies on the shelves and having these more accessible for Kasper in the art cart. In a perfect world, I would put labels on all of these things. It could happen sometime. This is me being defeated when I realized that if I have all of those bags on their sides, they don't fit under the shelf, which means I had to rearrange them and hope that I could fit all of them on one part of the trolley. I don't even remember if I managed it, but you know, it still worked out okay in the end. A little before and after for you. I think it looks a lot better, and Kasper can reach everything he needs. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, and stick around for some more realistic spring cleaning, where we try to get a lot of things done, and maybe we only get some things done. It's gonna be a fun time.